Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 7th of February 2019. Okay guys, I'm going to start today's analysis from Euro USD. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So this is the first signal of my signals report. I have supplied the bearish trend in case of the Euro USD. 113559 was the bearish entry and 112869 was the target price. However, the target price is not met. But if you look at this pattern, then the market has went down and it has went down up to let me put the line here, 113248 and 113559 was the entry. So hopefully guys, you must have caught the number of pips and you must have traded this in a profitable way. Later on it moved up, but you know that I sent the signals 1 hour before the London session, so it went perfectly fine as per the London session. We have taken a lot of selling opportunities on this pair. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. Similarly, we have also followed this during the London session. We had a bearish expectation for the day from 129.224, and you can see that we have a slight drop today appeared on Great Britain Pound USD, and it went down. Let me put the line here. So that was the time that we have caught this pair. It went down up to 128532, and whereas the entry was 129224. So this was a small gap to trade. Then you can say that that was a 5 to 6 hours profitable trade. Later on, you know that suddenly in the second part of the day, Great Britain Pound USD has moved up. But if you have traded this in the early session of the day, then you must have collected the good profit. Okay, now let's talk about the USDJPY, another satisfied signal of the day. That was bearish expectation from 109897 and 109678 was the target price. And guys, you can see it has taken a smaller U-turn. Then finally we have seen a big drop, and within the 3 hours the market has touched the target price that I have supplied in my signals report, which was 109678. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on USDJPY. They must have collected the good profits. Okay, now let's talk about USDCHF. You know that we do not talk about the losing trades, so we do not discuss even within the analysis. And guys, you must note that we do not discuss the losing trades in our analysis. Okay, now let's talk about USDCHF. A bearish trend was supplied from 100168, and you can see that we have seen the drop. The drop is here, and within the 2 hours it has made some recovery, but the market has went up to 1.08. But overall, if we go to the higher time frames, like if you look at the 4-hour time frame, so I can say that if you are interested in doing the swing trading, then USDCHF looks down to me, so it can go down anytime. So overall it is getting the stability at these levels, but this stability is not very much good because it's into the weaker zones and the market can get a drop. Okay, now let's talk about the strength that we have seen today on USD Canadian dollar. It was very interesting because still I went bullish, even the price was so high. 132.64461 was the entry and 133.279 is the target price. And if you look at here, right from the entry, the market started to go up. Even within a slow pattern, the market went up, and right now if you look at here, then we have a slight line here, that's the target price, and the market is just near to the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on USD Canadian dollar. They must have taken the good profits, but now be careful because the price has moved up. So tomorrow I will look again and I will supply you with another good signal, hopefully. Okay, now let's talk about the pound JPY. Okay guys, you know that I have supplied the bearish trend in case of pound JPY, and that was supplied before the London session. 142041 was the sell entry and 140921 is the target price. However, similarly the target price is not met, but the pound JPY has went down up to 141113. So we have seen the big drop. 142041 was the entry, and that's we can call a big drop because we are trading the 1-hour chart here. However, when I give the analysis, I consult up to the weekly chart, so be careful with this. But when you place the signals, you will place the signals on the weekly chart, and we have done extremely well, and hopefully you traders must have taken the profit in the early session of the day. Okay guys, moreover about the trading system, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the pair has gone into the top red boundary or blue boundary, then you can take the sell positions, and whenever you see that the market has gone into the lower red boundary and it's making the upward momentum, then you can buy the pair. Like here, from the lower red boundary, we have also received a buy signal from the scalper. The market moved up and the hourly candle was closed above the middle dotted line, then the market is still moving up. So this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, the price monitor is here to help you. When it gives the green signal, it means that it's indicating the buy. When it gives the red signal, it means that it is indicating the sell signal. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to join the Telegram channel, if you want to get the video lessons, or you are interested to get Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all these inquiries, please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Guys, must subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button so that you can get the updates from my side. And guys, send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Thank you for watching the video.